Greetings, love bugs. This is Miyoshi from Miyoshi's Bullion. How y'all doing today? I have a package today, and it is another hand pour silver piece. So I am just getting into collecting silver that's hand poured. As you can see, I have my little bars. I have first chunky monkey, chunky monkey, chunky monkey, chunky monkey, chunky monkey. And y'all know, y'all seen this bar before. This is fish bar, the inefficient stacker. Look at that thick in its tone. That's that bar. And then what goes along with chunky monkey, chunky monkey, chunky monkey is when you see chunky monkey, you have to have poop. Chunky monkey, chunky monkey, chunky monkey, and poop. These are the 10 little grams. I am really falling in love with these little silver, hand poured silver items. My little knickknacks, I'm gonna call them little knickknacks. My little hand pours from the community. But these are chunky monkeys, little poop, chunky monkey, chunky monkey. I'm sorry, love bugs. Anyway, these are poops. They go with chunky monkey and poop. And my next hand poured bar of silver is Cajun Bullion. And he has a what? Crawfish. This crawfish has a surprise. Y'all make sure y'all go over to Cajun Bullion site. He has some beautiful hand poured silver. And that's what that is. I had to get another piece because I love his work. Look at that. Now that's beautiful with the crawfish. Anyway, this video is about this package. And I'm up here playing with my bars, but I keep them out because I like to play with my silver every day. So, let's get that little knife. My little knife. And let's bust this package open, love bugs. I'm gonna cut this on the side. I don't want to mess. First, let me make sure I don't mess nothing up. Let's do this way. Pack it down so I don't mess nothing up. Whoa! Oh. Be careful that. Hold on, little bugs. I have to be careful. I'm getting happy. Frantic. Whoa, just slice this open. Woo. Woo. Okay, little bugs. Here we go. Another package. And I have another sticker from Cajun Bullion. Okay. Make sure this tape don't stick to my gloves. You know what? Love bugs, I'm gonna have to go purchase me because I'm gonna tap. Anyway, I'm getting tired of these little plastic gloves. I'm gonna have to go get me some other gloves, some cotton gloves. But here it is, that sticker. Sticker number 2. This is a beautiful sticker. Look at that. Let's just look at it. Cajun, this is a beautiful sticker. Make sure y'all go to his site, his YouTube channel. And look at that bar. You see that crawfish with his channel bar in it? Make sure y'all pick it up. He has a sale going on too. So pick up this bar, and he has some other beautiful work. But anyway, this is my second sticker. And his card. Here I go with making that little crawfish. That's beautiful card. I like this card. And make sure he goes his email, so drop him a message. And here we go. I'm not gonna show y'all that part, but here we are, Luvbugs. Here you go. Let me open it up. He wrapped it in tissue. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh, Luvbugs. Let me straighten my gloves up so it can look pretty. Here we go, Luvbugs. Oh, Luvbugs, this is gorgeous. I got me a pistol. Look at that, Luvbugs. It is gorgeous, and it has some weight to it. That is gorgeous. Look at that, Luvbugs. I'm about to get all up in your face. No pun intended, because I got this. Oh, it landed on the other side. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. Here we go, Luvbugs. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Anyway, this is it, Luvbugs. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Here's the back. It is 2.3 troy ounces. Look at that, Luvbugs. 99973. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Thanks, Cajun. Look at that. Yeah, I gotta get a good look. Let me straighten my gloves on. Look at this. Look at this, Luvbugs. This is gorgeous. And he has some other things I'm about to order. I just love his work. But that's it. That is the piece. Another hand pour piece for look. See, I couldn't show you this. Because then you would have saw, you would have knew beforehand. You would have, Isn't it? It says the pistol. I got the pistol. 2.3 troy ounces. Gorgeous. Alright, Luvbugs, keep stacking and make sure you support the silver community. Think about purchasing people hand-poured silver. They put a lot of work into it. That's, they do. And I really enjoy watching them pour the silver. But, you know what? I'm going to do a video. Shout out to all the channels that create hand-poured silvers. Because I watch you all, and that's a lot of work. And did all that heat. That's fire. Then you have to put up. I give y'all a thumbs up. Because that's a lot of work. Anyway, keep stacking, Luvbugs. And I'll see you later.